Hey, how's it going, guys? Just got back from a great Pack Expo show in Las Vegas. Had a lot of great conversations regarding equipment and our potential solutions. My name's Thomas. This is Dominic, a couple engineers on staff here at Deutsche, and we're really excited to fill you in.
Name of the game is flexibility and increasing shelf life for different co-packers looking to produce different lines very fast, be able to meet their customers' demands, as well as these beverage producers looking to find new ins in market. If they have a concept for a beverage, they want to be able to get that produced pretty rapidly and increase shelf life. So that's where our Deaeration technology comes in to increase your shelf life, stability, flavor, all those aspects that are really going to market your beverage.
Deaerated water and blend it down with a concentrate or a slurry or like your base ingredient for the beverage. The more concentrated you can make your product in your tanks and your blending equipment, you can reduce your footprint for your plant and sort of reduce your total utility demand and make a much more efficient, smaller, cleaner footprint for your production facility. The stronger you can make these concentrates and pull them into a final beverage.
Yeah, much more control over your final product as well. It's got your name on it in the marketplace.
Yeah, and then I'd say on CIP, there seems to be a lot of opportunity for smaller beverage manufacturers, co-packers that want to get up to these cleanly standards that are sort of industry standard now. So just sort of for us, it's a neat opportunity to try to come in with a custom application for CIP that specifically fits and tailored to that size of beverage producer.
Yeah, each plant has their own technology, how they're running their cleaning processes, and how they currently have it set up. And where we can come in and have some of those conversations is how we can alter our equipment to match their needs, as well as what improvements and what options that they can make to their plant and their equipment to really get the most value out of that CIP technology and making sure that they're hitting their cleaning standards, as well as decreasing the amount of manual labor involved with a lot of these cleaning processes that they currently have.
Yeah, and then outside of that, it was also it's always nice to just get a chance to walk the floor and see some of the companies that we've partnered with, or maybe could potentially partner with moving forward in their new technologies, especially in regards to controls and data management. We work a lot with Siemens, also do Allen Bradley and Rockwell. It's nice to walk by their booths and sort of see the cutting edge technology that they're pushing out as new products, and we can sort of take and learn that and continue to grow our controls and data management abilities to provide a more complete turnkey solution for our customers.
Some of the new trending beverage kind of specific products that we saw were a growth of the functional drink market. So a big one that stood out was clear, carbonated, kind of effervescent protein beverages, where you get your protein intake in it. It's just a lot more palatable mouthfeel and flavor, as well as a kind of rise in different kind of soda offerings, and as the term dirty soda, including your milk and dairy-based products in soda as well as just the continual need for coffee, tea, and other kinds of beverages. Or anything else that kind of came across our booth that was interesting or kind of trending that you saw?
Yeah, not so maybe related to the beverage industry, but we always get quite a few just unique customer requests as the nature of our company and the type of partners we work with. So I think we've fielded some questions on like a aloe vera type facility and cleaning the tanks, and how a CIP skid or CIP equipment could fit into their process. There's a couple other food manufacturers looking at CIP systems as well. So yeah, it's always unique to sort of see these sort of one-off requests that you're not expecting, but that could also potentially be a partner for CIP equipment or any equipment that we could provide. Thanks, guys. Enjoyed sharing this information about Pack Expo. If you missed us, you'll catch us at maybe some trade shows next year. We'll definitely at Pack Expo in Chicago next fall. and looking forward to continuing these really neat conversations about our equipment solutions.
Yeah, you can find us online as well. Always reach out to Thomas and myself with any requests or ideas that you may have. Find us online at deutscheequipment.com and look forward to hearing from you.